Umayo dito sa Pilipinas ang tinaguriang Golden Boy ng bansang Indonesia na si Andika the Golden Boy, upang sagupain ang undefeated Pinoy prospect na si Reggie Suganov para sa isang 10 rounds flyweight contest. Si Andika the Golden Boy ay dating WBA Asia Light Flyweight Champion, habang ang ating kababayan naman na si Reggie Suganov ay dating IBF Light Flyweight Champion. Ang laban ng dalawa ay ginanap sa Bohol, at bago ang kanilang bakbakan ay may malinis na kartada si Andika the Golden Boy na 19 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw at may 10 KO. Habang ang ating kababayan na si Reggie Suganov ay may malinis ding kartadang 11 wins, 0 loss at may 4 KO. Halina mga kaboksing at muli nating balikan ang kanilang naging bakbakan.
Boxer, no?
Always sticking that jab.
1, 2. Hook straight by Reggie. Andika counters, no?
Talented.
For sure, no? Yung last opponent ni Reggie is also an Indonesian partner, no? Asher Alunan.
Maybe he's watching right now also.
Yes. If I'm not mistaken, computer yan, no? Oop! Good hook by Reggie Suganov.
Ang mga Pilipino.
Tama. And this is the third Filipino he's fought, no?
Yes. Ay, yung isa, nasa corner niya ngayon. And so you're very privileged to fight.
Definitely.
Virgenio Silvano, sabi.
Oo.
Yung naka-violet Indonesian.
It's because yung Filipino at Indonesian almost has the
Oh,
same
nice.
no? Answer. Jab, hook straight and
nice body work
upper.
by
Yes.
Suganov.
Saudi Arabia. Good body movement by Reggie Suganov, using the foot feints, no, to confuse Andika the Golden Boy. Good defense by Andika.
Always nandun yung jab, partner.
Trademark din ni Reggie Suganov yan,
The
no?
left jab.
Hook
Nice,
straight.
1-2.
Oo, by Reggie Suganov. Counter hook by Golden Boy ng ating Filipino-Finong partner.
And during the press con, ang sabi ni
Medyo language barrier. Andres Estardo, kita yung maturity ni Reggie Suganov part him via TKO.
yes. Alam mo, mahinig sa lona si Golden Boy. Pinipilit niyang papuntahin doon si Reggie Suganov. Para siguro
Alam niya na, kumbaga. Maraming boxers na ganyan yung magaling sa ropes, you know?
Ang ginagawa ni Reggie, he continuously pumping the
Yeah.
jab.
Good counter by Reggie Suganov. While the Golden Boy is moving to the ropes, he recovered very well. And the
Nice 1-2!
Matapos tamaan ng kombinasyon ni Suganov, ay bumagsak ang Indonesian boxer sa round 4.
By Reggie Suganov.
Reggie Suganov's patience.
Nice 1-2.
Yes, Andika the Golden Boy is up. Of course, definitely a champion. He is up, still willing to fight.
Ito makikita mo yung presensya ng Suganov.
Yeah. He knows that.
Yeah, calculated lang ang ano niya.
Yeah, tama ka doon. Perfect word. Calculated aggression.
Hindi siya susugod sa iyo ng
Tama.
pabalang-balang.
Kasi veterano din to si Andika, no? He's waiting for Reggie to make mistakes.
Alam mo, during that
Good hook by an opponent to come in with punches. Wow. A good hook straight that broke the guard. Definitely someone will get dropped. Good hook straight by Reggie. Reggie Suganov's jab is he's bringing you where he wants you to be. Okay, a flurry right there by the Golden Boy.
Pumasok yung kaliwa ni Andika.
Yes, full use of jab or Andika's nag-aabang si Andika He's yet to show. Wow, the crowd is entertained.
Yes, definitely. Reggie after that's the body work for Reggie
Jab and
Suganov.
body, the test of Reggie Suganov's life, ano? Andika is dancing, is Suganov. Ode Vargas, shoutout sa iyo dyan sa Negros Oriental. So after the jab, no? Oh,
Kasi sa kanan, ayun, pumapasok sa kanan
Yeah.
ng gagaling sa partner.
make it 1,000. Let's make it 1,000.
Yes.
Hook breaking into the guard of Andika the
Oh.
Golden Boy. The Filipino phenom must stay focused. Andika the Golden Boy.
Stay
Yeah.
focused. That's the right word. Stay focused.
May kinakasayan. Solomon, shout out. And Andika is waiting
Nice
for him
body
to
work
commit
by
mistakes.
Suganov.
Oh, that definitely stunned Andika.
At may skill din yung batang to.
Tama.
Yung Andika
Oo.
Golden Boy.
Ito na partner. Double jab straight and upper that graced the Golden Boy. Tumama yun.
Nice body.
that nice body shot. We are 978 strong.
Salamat, salamat.
Double jab straight. Oop, Alino is in the blue trunks. Oop,
Nice body again by
yun
Suganov.
partner. So Reggie. Oop, good upper to the head. Andika does his hip dance. You know, ito na naman, nasa ropes na naman si Andika. Shout out Dada na italab.
Oh, nice left by Suganov.
Also partner being and confused Reggie Suganov with his antics. Oh, good body shot.
Andika was down in round number 2 yata, partner.
Yes,
no?
oo. Kalikat pa lang alam mo na kung kakasa.
Oh, nice
good.
upper by Reggie Suganov.
Kayo dyan. Oh my, 1,000 viewers. We are 1,000 strong.
Ano kaya ito ni
Yes,
Argelo?
definitely. Baka family yan ni
Trying to set up that right. And he's not pumping the left.
partner. I think, alam more, I am Wiwax. Weaken the arms by punching through it. Tight guard na ganyan, partner.
Nice body work.
Wow. Shots, ano?
Naalala ko nung una tayong nag-show, halos walang nanonood sa atin.
Tama.
Kaya salamat tayo sa
Yes.
sumusuporta sa atin. Yes.
It's left that he will explode with. Shoutout Kulang Dodong. Idol daw niya si John Bol Gabonilles.
Salamat kay Joey Canoy. Nagpadala siya ng 75 stars sa atin.
Nako, miss na natin si Joey Canoy sa ring.
Oh!
Oh,
It was hard with the body shot.
uppercuts. He sends
End of round number 9.
strong finish. And
Simula first round hanggang 10 round,
Yes.
Reggie Suganov is pumping that jab.
partner, what does Andika need to
Oh
do
my!
to steal this bout?
Esteban, shoutout from Batangas. Salamat po sa panonood ninyo sa timbang mo, sa super featherweight.
Of course, we want to see Janelle also be a champion in boxing,
Yes,
partner.
yes.
And that takes training also, no? Na partner, very, very excited na yung ating mga fans.
End of
Wow.
the fight, ladies and gentlemen.
Matapos ang 10 rounds ng bakbakan, ay nakuha ni Reggie Suganov ang panalo sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision.
By a unanimous decision, still undefeated, Reggie, the Filipino Phenom, Sugano!